on, guys? Welcome to day 15 of the Ftmo challenge. For some reason, I'm not able to get it on the browser. I think my internet is acting up, so I'm just going to show you guys my stats for today on my phone. So here we are. Didn't open any new trades today or close any. Today's Friday, so the market's closed right now. Here's my profit so far for today. As you can see, it's about 2,200, and equity at 95,000. See, yeah, no new trades opened or closed today. These are from yesterday. Let me show you my Metatrader. Okay, Metatrader, pound USD. It's the only one that's in the negative right now. The other ones, Euro AUD, Euro NZD, New Zealand dollar, New Zealand dollar franc, and pound AUD. Those seem to be doing pretty well. So we're going to hold these trades over the weekend, see how it goes when the market reopens. So yeah, I just want to give you guys an update on my status so far, day 15 FTMO challenge. I'll see you guys on Monday. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Peace.